Hi guys, today we're going to look at using the Utilization Heat Map and capacity charts in Kelloo. The heat map is a great way to identify and understand utilization issues and resource availability across your resource pool. A summary of the utilization of each role is provided. We can see our developers are overutilized for the next 5 months, whereas our project managers and QA team have some availability over the coming months. So if we are looking to fit in a project that involves developers, we would not be able to start it until October at the earliest. If we expand the developer pool, we can check on the utilization of individual team members. The offshore team, Joe and Olivia, are overutilized for the next few months, so we probably need to look at rescheduling some of their work. Arav and Sarah have some spare capacity, so there is probably an opportunity to allocate some work to them to help resolve the utilization issues. Hover over any of the cells and you get a summary of the resource's capacity, allocated days and available days. And click on the cell to see which projects the resource is allocated to and for how many days. Now let's jump over to the capacity charts. The capacity view provides a rolled up summary of your capacity versus your allocations. The green fill shows the overall capacity of your resource pool and how it changes over time due to time off and new hires. The stacked bar shows the total allocations per period, so we can see that in July, August and September our resource pool is allocated more work than it has capacity for. And each block in the stacked bar relates to a project, with the block height indicating the amount of work for the project. You can click on a project in the grid to highlight the allocations for the project and see how they change over time. Use the filters to help analyze capacity for particular teams, roles or projects. Here I've chosen to filter just by developers in the US team, and we can see within that team we have overutilization issues between June and November. That's all for today.